Hey beauties. Okay, so today we are going to do something different. Y'all, I haven't been on YouTube for a while, but we are going to unbox the Temptu 2.0 makeup kit that I bought from Amazon, or I should say my boyfriend bought from Amazon. This is something that I've been like holding off for. It's been in my cart for a good 3 months. He was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and buy it for you. Like, your birthday is coming up, just go ahead and buy it for you. However, the price is pretty pricey, you guys. This is an air gun. This is an airbrush, I should say. When I think about airbrush, I think of like high-end, professional. Like, I think of expensive. I think of great quality. That's how I think of this airbrush, to be honest. Anybody can purchase airbrushes. People use it on a regular day. And yeah, guys, I'll do a whole nother separate video on that. So now we had, so basically the box came into two, it came with two other boxes inside. Now this one box that I'm opening up right now basically has all of the essentials, all of the foundations, literally everything makeup is in this box. Guys, I'm excited. No, really, I'm excited. Okay, so we have the blush, we have the foundation, we also have some good stuff as well, and I'll name it one by one for you guys. So what's up next is our good primer, our base primer. This primer, y'all, it is silicone based. It has to be silicone based in order for the makeup itself to adhere on the skin. So that's the base primer. And then we have I do believe this is the highlighter. So this is the blush and highlighter. You guys, look how vibrant these colors are. You guys see how vibrant this color are? Like, what? Beautiful. So it pretty much gives you options for every skin tone there is of blush. And then we have our foundation, which is 2 rows. Yeah, I'm hoping this foundation is really pigmented. We'll give it a try on our next video. All right, and then this is our contour and bronzer kits. So like I said, it's for different shades as well. So this kit is pretty cute. Have a lot of cute things going on there. LOLs. But this is the contour wheel, creamy contour wheel, and then this is the airbrush cleaner. So it has all your alcohol, disinfectant, and brush as well. All right, and now we are opening the holy grail of this unboxing, which is the compressor and the airbrush gun. Of course, what is the makeup without the airbrush? So yes, this is a Temptu 2.0 compressor, guys. So this is what's giving air to the airbrush itself, and we're using the Sp-40, y'all. And I'm gonna kind of, unwrap the wrapper a little bit just so you guys can see it up and personal. Yes. And then I do believe this is the adapter and everything, which is the cord. All right, guys, that is it for my voiceover. Oh no, matter of fact, I forgot to tell you guys this. So with this item, we purchased this on Amazon. It was for $474. Of course, originally it's supposed to be $445, but plus tax brought it up to $475. I noticed that, and I can also put the link on the subscription box down below of the item of this exact kit, y'all, but for a lower price. So if you guys want to save on some bucks, left over in your pockets, I have this kit linked for you for $350. All right, guys, you guys gonna thank me later. But guys, my next video coming up will pretty much be the review. See you guys, this is it for my voiceover, and keep on watching.